problem of the day. Find the greatest common factor of 32 and 48. Well, before we dive headlong into this, let me explain what greatest common factor is, okay? A factor is a number that is multiplied to become another number, right? So an example of a factor for 32 would be 2, because 2 multiplies by 16 to get 32. So 2 and 16 are factors of 32. Greatest, biggest, right? The largest, and common. Common just means the same, okay? It's like you and I have something in common. We both like math. We're the same in that way. So we're looking for a factor that would be the same for 32 and for 48, and we want the largest one of those. Okay, so there's your English lesson for the night. Let's start by factoring 32. If I say 32 times 1, those are two factors of 32. Now, 2 goes into 32 16 times, right? Okay, does 3 go into 32? No, it does not. So does 4? I do believe 4 goes into 32 8 times. Does 5 go into 32? No, it does not. Does 6? I'm afraid not. 7? No. Well, now we're up to 8. So now that's how you know that you've gotten all of the factors, because all of the larger numbers here were multiplied by the smaller numbers here. So you know there aren't any other large numbers to go into 32. We can do the same thing with the 48. 48 times 1, 2 times 24. 3 does go into this one, right? 3 would go 16. Looks like 4 is going to go into it. 12 times. Does 5? No. Does 6? Yes, you know that 6 does because 2 and 3 both go into it. And 6 would go how many times? 8 times. Okay, so let's take a look here. Common factors: 2, 4, 8, and 16. What is the greatest common factor of 32 and 48? 16. See how that works? We just find all the factors, then we find the common ones, and then pick the greatest, the largest one. Okay?
For more math help, visit tnlearn.org.